Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE T10, and today I will show you how we can format your SD card. To get started, we're gonna open up our settings. From here you wanna scroll down in the list till you find storage, right over here. Once you select it, you'll need to choose your SD card, and you do so by selecting right here on this drop down menu where it says this device, and then clicking on SD card. This will then obviously show you your SD card, how much storage is taken and all that stuff. And in here, you can just tap on the three dots right in a corner and select format. And it will give us a pop-up, format this SD card. This SD card needs to be formatted to store apps. What? I'm pretty sure it's already working, so this first section is completely inaccurate, but whatever. Moving on to the bottom section of this message, formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. So obviously, if you store anything on your card that, like some data that you want to preserve, make a copy of it to some other location. From there, you can proceed further by selecting Format SD card. This will begin formatting it, and this process only takes a couple seconds, should be right about done any moment. There we go. So all you need to do now is click on done, and that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.